Read me.
Parents should be their children's best friends. It's a matter of personal perspective whether parents should be their children's best friends. Some people believe that being a parent is a different role from being a friend, and that it's important for parents to maintain authority and boundaries to provide guidance and structure for their children. Others believe that being a friendly and approachable parent can help build trust and open communication between parents and children, leading to a stronger relationship overall. Ultimately, the most important thing is for parents to find a balance that works for their family dynamics and their individual parenting style.
Now it's your turn. 3, 2, 1, go.